Did you know that your subconscious mind is responsible for 95% of your daily thoughts and actions? That's right. It's like a powerful computer running in the background, shaping your reality without you even realizing it. Abundance is a state of being that many of us strive for, but somehow it always seems to be just out of reach. We think that if we just work a little harder, or make a little more money, or achieve a certain status, then we'll finally feel abundant. But the truth is, abundance is a mindset, and it starts with our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is the key to unlocking our true potential, and it's the driving force behind our thoughts, emotions, and actions. When we align our subconscious mind with our conscious desires, that's when the magic happens. We start to see opportunities everywhere, and we attract abundance into our lives effortlessly. But how do we tap into this powerful tool? How do we harness the power of our subconscious mind to attract abundance? That's what we're going to explore in this video. Many of us have been led to believe that abundance is only for the lucky few, or that it's something we need to struggle for. We think that if we just work hard enough or sacrifice enough, then we'll finally get what we want. But the truth is, abundance is our birthright. We're meant to live a life of abundance, and it's available to us all if we only know how to tap into it. One of the biggest misconceptions about abundance is that it's only about money. We think that if we just make more money, then we'll be abundant. But abundance is so much more than that. It's about living a life that's rich in every way. Rich in relationships, rich in experiences, rich in personal growth, and rich in joy. Another misconception is that abundance is selfish. We think that if we focus on our own abundance, then we're being selfish, and that we should be focusing on others instead. But the truth is, when we focus on our own abundance, we have more to give to others. We're able to show up more fully in our relationships, and we're able to make a greater impact in the world. Many of us are also held back by our negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. We think that we're not good enough, or that we're not worthy of abundance. We think that we need to prove ourselves, or that we need to earn the right to be abundant. But the truth is, we're already worthy. We're already enough, and we deserve to live a life of abundance. Our subconscious mind is also influenced by our environment and the people we surround ourselves with. If we're surrounded by negative people, or if we're constantly exposed to negative media, then our subconscious mind is going to reflect that. We're going to start to feel like there's not enough, or that we're not enough. We're also held back by our fear of abundance itself. We think that if we have too much, then we'll lose it, or that we'll become lazy. We think that abundance is going to make us complacent, and that we'll stop striving for greatness. But the truth is, abundance gives us the freedom to pursue our passions and to make a greater impact in the world. So, how do we overcome these obstacles and harness the power of our subconscious mind to attract abundance? The first step is to become aware of our thoughts and beliefs. We need to recognize when we're thinking negatively, and we need to challenge those thoughts. Visualization is another powerful technique for reprogramming our subconscious mind. When we visualize ourselves living a life of abundance, we start to feel like we already have it. We start to believe that it's possible, and we start to take action towards making it a reality. Affirmations are also a powerful tool for reprogramming our subconscious mind. When we repeat positive affirmations to ourselves, we start to believe them. We start to feel like they're true, and we start to take action towards making them a reality. Meditation is another powerful technique for reprogramming our subconscious mind. When we meditate, we're able to quiet our minds and tap into our inner wisdom. We're able to connect with our subconscious mind and align it with our conscious desires. One of the most powerful techniques for reprogramming our subconscious mind is mirror work. When we look in the mirror and repeat positive affirmations to ourselves, we start to believe them. We start to feel like they're true, and we start to take action towards making them a reality. I want to share a personal story with you that showcases the transformative potential of using the subconscious mind for abundance. When I first started using these techniques, I was struggling to make ends meet. I was working multiple jobs and I was barely scraping by. But I knew that I was meant for more. I knew that I had a purpose, and I was determined to find it. I started using visualization, affirmations, and meditation to reprogram my subconscious mind. I started to see myself living a life of abundance, and I started to believe that it was possible. I started to take action towards making it a reality, and slowly but surely, things started to shift. I started to attract abundance into my life, and I started to live the life I had always dreamed of. I was able to quit my jobs and pursue my passion full-time. I was able to travel and experience new things. I was able to live a life that was truly fulfilling, and it was all because of the power of my subconscious mind. I want to emphasize that abundance is not just about material wealth. It's about living a life that's rich in every way. It's about feeling fulfilled and joyful and connected to our purpose. Abundance is a mindset, and it starts with our subconscious mind. When we align our subconscious mind with our conscious desires, that's when the magic happens. We start to see opportunities everywhere, and we attract abundance into our lives effortlessly. Remember, abundance is our birthright. We're meant to live a life of abundance, and it's available to us all if we only know how to tap into it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you had any experiences with using the subconscious mind to attract abundance? Share your stories, and let's continue the conversation. And if you want to learn more about abundance and how to tap into the power of your subconscious mind, be sure to check out my next video.